Do you want to relive those unforgettable moments on a movie you watched? Or you're a content creator, you just want to cut out a part on a movie and use it to illustrate or to send a message to what you're saying? Just like this one.
A few moments later.
I don't want you to sleep on this video. Now you understand what exactly I'm saying. On this video, I'm going to review a site where you can actually download your favorite movie clips or clips that you want to use to edit or send any message you want to send. Talking about movie, including your favorite cartoons, everything you need is here. The site is fully loaded. Follow me on this. Try this out with me. All you have to do, go over to yarn.co. This is the platform I'm talking about. Is this not amazing? This looks very incredible. You will see clips of your favorite movie, cartoons, and every other thing you need to know on this website. Look at this. You can try this out. This is actually good. Play it and see how it goes. Try other things. They have different categories on this place. Make sure you exploit this channel to the fullest. If you like what you just saw, do well to subscribe to this channel so you can be the first to get notified when we post videos like this. Family, over here, YouTube is going to provide you a video that you need to watch as a follow-up to this video. Please do well to watch that video so you can learn new trick. See you on the next video.